All right, we are gonna get started on this. Let's lower this sound just a bit, right? So I can hear myself think. Okay. What else do we need here? All right. I'm gonna test the sound and then we're gonna go from there. And we shall conquer it today. Okay, just about ready. Sounds all right. I can hear the music in the background. Doesn't. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. Winston, welcome. Fabro, welcome. Chen Chin, welcome. Bueno Cancer, welcome. How is everybody? I'm gonna switch to my headset. I'm hoping it's gonna connect automatically without. That was fast. I like it when it just connects like this. Nice. Got a lot to finish today, but I'm feeling pretty good that we're gonna make very good progress. We might even like play around with releasing it on DigitalOcean, you know? Okay. Now, Mata, welcome. Let's start PyCharm. Our ID. Cool. Still loading up. All right. I'm guessing my my thing already works right now. Can't update Chrome. Yeah, I don't want you to update. The latest update of the Chrome has that what can I call this thing? The changes to the web API where you can no longer like block certain ads anymore. I think that's the thing. Hold on. Chrome latest update ad changes. Let's see. Chrome's new extension platform will launch in 2023, but this here says no longer planning to begin turning off the old extensions standard in January, and says the rest of the timeline is under review. Performance of its browser. Critics, however, have claimed it will make it harder for ad blocking extensions to work. Expiration of the enterprise policy on the extensions will be removed from the store. Oh shit. I guess a lot of people are going to be like switching to Firefox or another browser that lets ad blocker extensions. So it is still coming, but they kind of delayed because I was under the impression that was going to happen with January or February update, and I was kind of like canceling this. Chrome is out of date, so what? Look, 38 ads in this fucking page, right? Like, it would look God knows what like with all the ads on it. I'm not dealing with ads, bro. I've already been using Firefox. I'm just using this for the stream to develop on it. Yeah. Okay. So yesterday, oh yeah. So look, this already works because my Docker is already running. But I want to change one thing here. I want to create a custom local domain name and have a single setting for the API URL instead of that. I think that would make it more streamlined and has a single source of truth for the API. And then I think that's it. So what I'll do here is I'm just gonna edit my hosts file. I don't want to do that on the stream, so I'll just do that off stream. Let's go do sudo vim etc hosts. Asking for the password. Here is the password. Yeah, I'm just gonna add that filelib.dev. So let's just call it filelib.local and then see if that works. Because if it does, right? Filelib.local. No. Filelib.local, but it needs HTTP. Okay, so it does work, which is cool. Then all I need to do here, then let's go back and where I was editing this, right? I don't need this anymore. And all I need is like just this. So we're kind of putting it back to where it was. Cool. I think this is, and this is no longer needed. I updated this in so many places. Now I had to like, okay, before I put it back, let me test that this is actually working. Right. Let's verify that this is actually good. And in my env file that I'm doing here, instead of saying API, this will say filelib.local. And I need to verify that this will actually work in the back, from inside the Docker container, because that is what is important right there. Okay, let's go see. And if I am to sign out, so why isn't it updating? Like we are signed out. I don't know what's going on with that thing. Like why it doesn't work. It's just weird. I have to revisit it again, apparently. There is cat hair in my eye, like literally right in my eye. Okay. So sign in. So we got a hit to, it is doing localhost. Yeah, we need to get rid of that. Okay. So if I do mailinator, let me see if I got my email. I did. And this is the part. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I need to like rebuild this thing so it works, right? So if I do docker exec nextjs bash and I do curl http file lib.local connection refused. Connection refused. Hmm. Hmm. Huh. That's kind of weird. That I was hoping it would work. I think it should work though. If I do make redo again, I'm just gonna bring down all the containers and put it back up. But I think there is a setting like forwarding the local host to into the container. I forgot the name of the setting, but like I think there's a flag for it. Let's do this again. If it doesn't work, then I'll continue doing it one more time. Let's see how this goes. Okay, Docker. Um, I don't know how to really word this. How to reach localhost on host from Docker now. How do I connect to the localhost of the machine? If you're using Docker for Mac or Windows, connect your MySQL using the host of docker.internal. Docker for Linux, you can also use host.internal if you start your Docker container with add host docker.gateway option. I am... Oh, this one right here. It only works on Docker Linux. Interesting. Hmm. Yeah, we can play around if this still doesn't work. So let's check. This is gonna come together eventually. This is the thing, like you just go through all the little details so you don't have to keep dealing with it later on. And theoretically, it should not affect the changes. It should not affect the development cycle at all. And it's like more straightforward. So by doing that, I'm trying to ensure that I don't have to deal with this again and again later down the road. Hmm. What? Pin command not found. This is the first time I'm seeing this. What the heck? I never had to install this before in my life. Hmm. Because filelib.local actually works. Query domain in etc hosts from inside Docker. I'm not trying to use it. I'm just trying to. Okay, how do we set that setting? Like, is it part of the Docker compose? Yeah, I think we have to do this. I'm just trying to do host mode networking, discard it when using host network where. So how do we, like, what part of the host Docker compose host network? How do I, okay, networking in compose. Is it per, no. Mayu, welcome. Mati, welcome. Fun2K, Diagram, Mata, welcome, guys. How are you all doing? Excuse me. DB database, bruh. Megazord, welcome. I'm trying to see like something here, like what external true. What does that even mean? Oh, I still don't see the reference to the host, like the mode. Am I? This is kind of nuts, yo. This doesn't really make sense. Host network for Docker Compose. Where am I supposed to pass that goddamn thing? Network mode. Host. Let's see if this is gonna like accept this. What is happening here? Whatever. Let's see if it's gonna accept it. If it does, then we should be okay. So specifically what I need from that one is NextJS networks. Oh no, filelib network mode host. It's not expected here. Okay. Networks. I don't know if this is gonna work. Typo, yeah, that's not a typo. Okay, so let's... I don't see any warning or anything. I just don't know if this is the right place. Network mode. Host. Okay. Just learning something. If this works, I'm gonna be happy. Networks cannot... Network mode and networks cannot be combined. Ooh. Hmm. Oh, I saw something here. No. Networks. Networks. Other network. Huh. Docker compose network custom network mode. Hmm. Hmm. Cannot be mixed with links. Okay, so there are things going on here that we are not gonna be able to use. Because if I... Hmm. Yeah, this is a problem. Because when the name is API, but can I give this like a different name? I am kind of curious if that will work. I'm gonna test this out, see if it works. See if it works. If it does, I'll be kind of happy. So let's see. It did not complain. Because I don't know about linking it with an alias. Docker compose links with alias. Links alias. I'm not sure how to alias Docker compose to Docker. Networking and then how to contact. Dude, my hand is like, my skin is going crazy. I need some lotion on my hand. All right, let's create this and I'm gonna get some lotion because I won't be able to stop scratching my hand like this, yo. Okay. All right, guys, I'll be back in a minute while this does its thing. Oh, I have. I'm gonna go refill my tea as well. All right, let's static. Oh my god. Bruh. All right, so this looks like it did what it needs to do. So I just want to see if the alias actually working. So let's do docker exec bash again. And what did I name the alias here? Filelib.yolo. God damn it. Curl filelib.yolo. Connect. Port 80 is refused. Okay. So we needed 8,000, right? Oh, this works. Cool. I can just use this. Okay. Filelib.local. Right? And then this, where's the thing here? Filelib.local. And 1, 2, 3, 8,000. That's the thing that we are doing. Cool. I think this is all we need. I'm glad this actually worked, like straight up. I am enjoying this. So let's do a redo. And while it builds this thing, I'm gonna update. Oh my god, now because there is cream lotion on my arm, it feels sticky on everywhere. Lily accept 6 Pio. Welcome and thanks for the follow. It's a hard name to read for me. Okay. So we're gonna, no, I need to go down here. Where's my readme? Readme. I'm supposed to have a readme somewhere. There you go. Ah, shit. How does this look? Okay, we don't have it's submodules anymore. So let's get rid of that and update these things properly. So we're gonna do initiation, no, git submodule management. Yeah, we don't have that. Filelib.com and filelib api.filelib.com repository. Launching local development environment, right? Environment. Okay, maybe one more. Yeah. And here we're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4 prerequisites. How do you spell this word? Prerequisites. Prerequisites. Fixed typo. Prerequisites. I'm so bad. 1. Docker. Docker compose. 2. We're gonna say etc hosts file entry with 127 filelib.local. 3 make command in your terminal. This is optional. If you And we're going to say this is needed to utilize make file bruh, make file commands for convenience. I can't type. Okay. And we're going to say here again 1, 2, 3, 4. Local. Okay, we're going to say local development is containerized within Docker and connected via Docker Compose. Okay. And T. So good. Draft Angel, welcome. Thanks for the follow. So now, since this is good, we're gonna say to start to build and run containers. Run make up, right? So this is gonna be this will run Docker compose f dev.compose.yaml, I think. Oh, Docker compose, not compose. Docker compose YAML. Upd. And we'll build and run the containers. Okay. So we need 2. And then this one's gonna say run make down, right? And then this will run Docker compose f again dev.docker compose.yaml down RMI all. Right, so please note this will remove all containers. 3 to bring down, stop and remove containers down, and then 3 to join 1 into make redo. Okay. This will run make up make down, which will, okay, this is sort of like self-explanatory. Okay. This one needs a thing explanation here. We're gonna say this needs to be exactly as described for NextJS front end to work, to communicate with API container. Makes sense, right? I think I'm making good sense here. Ah, bruh. This phone is so fucking ass. I can't believe it. Man, can't believe this shit. Yeah, we're almost an hour in and we haven't done much. I mean, we fixed one problem, which is still good, but is it really? Is it really all that? You know? Okay. So it's good that we're updating everything here, though. So like, this is just not gonna be what you gonna call this thing? Referencing the very old things that I've done. Ah. Ramzo, welcome. DG Cami, welcome. Jasmine, welcome. Strike Kawhi, welcome, and thanks for the follow. Did we miss anybody else? Draft Angel, thanks for the follow. All right. Okay. So we're gonna go down and let's see how this really looks entirely now. File lib, launching local web environment, prerequisite Docker and Docker Compose, fast entry with. This needs to be exactly as described for Next.js to communicate with API container. Make command in your terminal. This is needed to utilize make file commands for convenience. Local development is containers within Docker and connected via Docker Compose. Build and run containers. Make up containers. Stop and remove containers. Make down. Okay, this is pretty good. So let's go back to this. So we don't need this anymore. This just doesn't matter. And yeah, this is also completely not needed anymore. Huh. Am I missing anything else here though? Kind of trying to remember if I'm missing anything else. Doesn't look like it, but you know, it's good to make sure. What's happening here? Oh, damn. It finally kicked in. Oh, damn. That's crazy. He still went down. How the okay, whatever. All right. So now this next thing here is what else do I need to do, dude? Hmm. Okay. So we know this works, but we have to undo a lot of these things right now. And what's the error? What is the error? Yeah, find usages so we can fix that shit. Anywhere that we did do this needs to go. Bruh. This is gonna be annoying. And I'm just thinking it would be easier to just create a secondary function that says get SSR URL and then use that one instead rather than like having to do this thing. That was a bad approach on my end. So this should like undo some of the changes we had to do for no reason. And yeah, no changes here. No changes here. Fetch user. Okay, this is good. I think this is it. Let's do a git diff so we can kind of see what's happening. This is the git diff. We can skip that one just yet. This is the Docker compose YAML. We can skip that one. Okay, we can revisit that one again. CMD, okay. That's necessary. Node 18, expose 3000. Yes, Farfot, welcome and thank you for the follow. And let's continue down here. This is the port that we are using. Cool. Plugin cool. That's cool. And next build no lint. Yeah, we need to get rid of that one in the package.json. What is this? Update password.ts or removing empty space. Fixing the problem with the thing, which is good. Okay, so we are pretty good with that, I think. Now, one of the changes to pay attention to here is the package.json. We are going to get rid of this because we don't want those errors to be blocking us. I mean, we don't want those errors to be not, watched. So any type checking error, we should address them properly. Okay. And in the Docker file, I believe I commented out instead of just removing this. So let's remove this. Don't need this entry point. This is good. Okay. And then run the entry point. And one thing we should test here is we should say user file load. Okay. I think that makes sense. MLE14, welcome and thank you for the follow. Cool. We don't need to do this anymore since we're not installing anything. So it's good. I think this should be it. This is a lot more nice and fast. Also, I think one thing to pay attention to here. Okay, I hope you are happy with it. Okay, I think this is it. Yeah. So let's do a new one. Make down. Let's kill everything. Start from scratch to make sure all is good. Nazarena, welcome and thank you for the follow. Okay. Any Docker PSA? Nope. And then we're gonna say make up. So I'm hoping the changes on the Dockers, the Django's Docker file, I'm hoping it's not gonna break anything. Changing permissions of operation not permitted. So okay, we get our first error here. Oh, we need to do this before we switch this. Yeah. I think it needs to be right here. Yeah. All right, let's see. This should alleviate the problem. Building API. I don't see a error raised so far. Okay, so the Chan went through. Cool. And then user switch went through, workday went through, pip install is going through. All right, I think this is good. I'm seeing now new shit, the script installed, which is not on the path. I don't understand. We are using a custom env. So why isn't it? Huh. Okay, this is a Docker problem. So let's just do this. Docker. Yeah, I'm kind of going towards that way because I didn't want to do it with the fucking root user, but god damn it. Uh, okay, fuck it. Yeah, shit. It went through, but I want to do it again. Exit it, make clean, and then make redo. Okay, let's go. I feel like this is pretty much there. Maybe a few more like a few more fine tuning here and there, but I think it should be good. I think we are pretty much there. Oh, clicking somewhere else takes away my overlaid terminal. Oh, damn. Can broken can result in broken permissions and conflict in behavior. Like I do that, it complains. I don't do that, it complains. Yo, what the fuck? Give me a break. Mm-hmm. We'll so far no errors. It already jumped to Next.js, which is good. Okay. Okay. Simirnov, welcome and thank you for the follow. Okay, so this is nothing seems to be broken, which is cool. Valorant TV, how we doing? Here we go. Yeah. Okay, let's test this again. Oh shit, I forgot to even enter the pin here. So if I go sign in, passes Jamaloco and enter the password. Okay. I should get a new email now. Okay, just now, which is cool. And enter the pin. Unable to complete your request. So something is wrong. Can it give a 400? Why 400? That's not a good error. Okay, let's see what the problem is. It's coming from the backend. Docker PSA. Okay, Docker compose NextJS. So it's running next dev, but then what's the problem though? Is it even making a request to the API? API user login. Yeah, that's the one that sent the email. So that works because it's happening from within, from the client side. Okay, I think that might be the issue. So Docker exec it NextJS bash sweet. If I do curl http file lib.local port 80 connection refused, which is okay, and it works. So this is fine. Finish sleeping. So this just works. So it knows how to access the thing. I'm pretty sure it's that URL change I did that's just tripping. So I'm gonna have to go pages, API user sign in, and then I need to log. And this, I think I made a mistake. Like something is tripping here. Did you accidentally divide with 0? No, I don't think. No, I don't think so. I think the problem is that URL is not working properly. So if I hit this again, yeah, it has the wrong URL. It should not be saying localhost. This is wrong. That's the problem. Is it in my env file that I did not put the correct URL? Next API base URL. Yeah, this needs to go because I just added that yesterday. Yeah, the value needs to be this, and this needs to go. Yeah, it's I forgot to change it. That's the problem. Okay, so it redid this thing, and now if I come down here and hit this, I'm logged in. Cool, but I need to sign out and then sign back in and make sure both client side and server side will work with the same URL. Just to get a peace of mind, you know. Hit it. Okay, my email is sent. If I go back here, I get my email. And when I provide this, it will do a server-side request from within the backend API to my Django API. So it should not be a problem. Cool. Okay. We are set. It works and I'm happy. Let's go sign up. So just fill out my form for me one more time. This looks like a good password. Still doesn't like it. This should be good. And then, cool, verify your email address. And then if I open this up, please tell me no error. Oh, bye-bye. All right. All right. This is it, yeah. Cat hair. So I think this is ready to go, my dudes. So one thing I need to figure out here is to get an SSL certificate set up. I'm thinking I can use Let's Encrypt, but it's been a really long time since I touched their thing. I don't know how that would really work. So let me go actually kill everything to the right. And then let's encrypt. I don't really remember all the details of this. 300 million websites. This is amazing, dude. So how do you... To enable it on your website, you need to get a certificate to type a file from certificate authority. Let's encrypt this and certificate authority. In order to get a certificate for your website's domain from Let's Encrypt, to demonstrate control over the domain with Let's Encrypt, you do this using software that uses Acme protocol, which typically runs on your web host. To figure out what method will work best for you, you will need to know whether you have shell access, also known as SSH access, to your web host. If you manage your website entirely through a control like there's a good chance you don't have shell access. You can ask your hosting provider to be sure. Okay. Did not know that I needed to do that. We recommend that most people with shell access use third-party client. It can automate certificate issuance and installation with no downtime. Also has expert modes for people who don't want auto configuration. Easy to use, works on many operating systems, and has great documentation. I wonder if DigitalOcean has like free SSL. DigitalOcean SSL certificate. I don't think they... Yeah, it just shows you how to install it. It doesn't... What? You can use our Let's Encrypt integration to create full image SSL certificates. You can also manually upload custom certificates or certificates from a commercial authority. Shit, I did not know like they actually did Let's Encrypt. This is amazing. But does that mean that my domain has to be on DigitalOcean? Because I gotta use the restroom. And then I'm gonna refill my tea. I'll be back in a minute. We are back, probably with like more static. Hold on. I'm gonna touch other metals so it doesn't shock my computer. Okay. Cool. So this, I'm not really sure how this is supposed to work. If you manage your domain with DigitalOcean DNS, you can choose the option to create a new fully manage. Does this cost me any money? Adding a domain you own to DigitalOcean lets you manage the domain's DNS records with the control panel and API. Domains you manage on DigitalOcean also integrate DigitalOcean load balancers and spaces to streamline automatic SSL certificate management. Cool. Point to DigitalOcean name servers from common domain registrars. I can do that. If it is just like pointing to it, yeah, that's good. But I'm not gonna change my registrar to DigitalOcean just to do that. So I'm glad that they do have that. So just put these values there to the name servers. I don't think my thing is really pointing to it right now. Pointing to anything at all. Thanks for the follow. What is it trying to load? It doesn't exist, yo. You need to chill. Guys, hold on. Let me see. Let me try to log into my DigitalOcean account. Actually, hold on. Let me log into it with the Chrome browser because... Okay, hold on. DigitalOcean. There we go. I don't remember my goddamn login credentials for this website. I used it, I just don't remember it. I'm hoping my account was not disabled either because guys, hold on. This is annoying. This will take a moment here. It says they sent me a 6-digit code. Please enter it. I'm like, okay. It's taking so long. This email is almost unreadable, bro. Trust this device for 60 days. Can I trust it more than 60 days? It's just a cookie after all. Your account has been suspended and the droplets have been powered down. Please power on your droplets once you have paid your bill. Holy shit. Apparently, I own money. I didn't even know I was using it. But this was like 3-4 years ago. Yep. Why do you keep opening them to somewhere else that I'm not fucking... Get a code. So let's get a code. It's gonna send me a text message. I need to enter that code. Wow, this is yeah, I know. Fuck off. Dude, every app, every little like browser application or like website, they have these pop-ups. It's just to fucking annoy you. Okay, I'm clicking a link. Take me to wherever I need to go. My God. Okay. PayPal is telling me that I paid. Yep, I did. I gave away my money that I barely have. My money. All right. So that is the account is unsuspended now, which should be good. And this will like continuously try to connect. Let's go over here first. Hoppata. Oh, wow. For real? Well, thank you, whoever you are, kind person. Hmm. Hmm. Guys, there's cat hair in my eye. Like it's been there since morning. I can't find it. I don't know how to like get it out of. Okay. Nope, not interested in that one. What is this? My account. Owner, Habidi Hibidi. Set up a referral link and earn free credits. Okay. um Activity user.login verified 4 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago. Wow, they really keep track of every single thing. That's insane. Okay. Cloud, the DigitalOcean projects. Oh, I did have Narcofa resources. I don't think I have anything here. No. Oh my god, dude, this is just like, are you for real? You can't just do like mark as red or something? That's messed up, yeah. Well, at least this is fixed. So I'm just trying to get my server ready, guys. Like, give me one moment here. That dealing with DigitalOcean. Uh, can I like just get the ones that I didn't read instead? Like I got 26 notifications. How is this even a thing? This is insane. Uh, three, how many more? Did I do all of it? I just want to get rid of this. I think this page should be it. Yep. Cool. Used for streaming and demonstration. Okay. Activity. Narcofa. Settings. Okay. Activity. 3 years ago. Okay. Damn, it's really keeping track of everything. Okay. So now, since I did that, okay, manage your domain with DigitalOcean DNS. And I need to point my domain to DigitalOcean. And to do that, I have to log into my registrar. So let me go log into my registrar. And then I'm going to have to use probably my password manager thingy. So let me log into that as well. Cool. So login. Thank you. And remember it. Verify. Coco, where's my boy? Where's your good boy? Coco's a good boy. Okay, so now my domain here, advanced security, domain log, automatic enabled on, $22 fucking dollars. What the fuck? That's nuts, yo. So, okay, we have access to it now. And I can actually point it to the DigitalOcean. Okay, point to that. We need to enter 3 apparently. NS1, NS2, and NS3. So let's go edit that name server. And manage name servers. The name server is on the thing. So we're gonna do edit. And then update, edit. This is gonna be NS2. Thank you. Update, edit, NS3. And then delete the last one. Edit. Asshole design, okay. Save changes. Okay. So now it is updated. The next thing to do is add domains. Welcome. Where's my key? He's my boy. What you doing over there, big boy? You a good boy? There's my boy. Came to visit me. How to add domains. From control panel, open the create menu and click DNS domains. Okay, daddy, we're gonna do it. Coco, you wanna help me do the add domains? Coco. Create domains, enter domain. Okay, filelab.com, add a domain. Okay. Coco, how's my boy? He's a good boy. Okay, so we did that, I think. That's it, yeah. For this one, and then this one. How to add a subdomain to your domain? No. Okay, if you manage your domain, select the domain you want to use, then optionally select include all domains. Okay, I'm trying to understand what I need to do here. So I am at the record. Records will take effect. Yes, we have done that. Elastoy, welcome and thank you for the follow. Yeah. Cool. DNS. SSH connectivity issues. Yeah, I know, but I'm just trying to see where I do the. Yes, baby. What's my kitty want? Guys, hold on. My cat wants something. What's my kitty want, huh? What you want, big boy? What's my Coco want? Go on. He just wants to go outside. He's a good boy, and I'm scared of static again. Shut. I'm trying to ground myself, bro. Mm. Okay. I'm not sure where to go here, dude. Domains. Manage domain, download zone. Manage domain. Okay. I've already done that, yo. So we are using the OORART. Welcome and thank you for the follow. Crom Pirko, thanks for the follow. Okay. Select the domain you want to use, then optionally select include all domains to create a wildcard certificate that secures the domain's apex, any subdomains that do not have an existing DNS record defined. I don't know how to get this here out. It's certificate. I just don't see this, dude. Where is that? Like, it doesn't exist on this page. Maybe like I have to wait a little bit. Create. domains, DNS, reserved IPs, load balancers, and I don't see the option to do that. That's the fucking add-ons. Maybe that's what it is. Hmm. I don't see that. Okay, maybe we gotta Google this. Someone can maybe show us. Okay, let's do. Okay, digital ocean. Let's encrypt. I just how to secure and do I have to create a droplet before I can do that? Oh, so I have to be creating the droplet first. Okay, let's go check this out. I think that's what I was lacking because I thought it would create it and then it would do the thing. But like because if your droplet, let's say like it gets removed, then you know. Create a droplet, please. There goes my $4. Choose region. I don't want to do New York or San Francisco or Amsterdam. Ubuntu 22. God damn it. Ubuntu 20 is okay for now. And is that the only location we can create this in? Okay, hold on. DigitalOcean droplet server locations. Regional availability matrix. Yeah, give us this. Ems Ramos, welcome. Data center. Evil Machine, thanks for the hypes. Barbos, thanks for the hypes. Damn. Okay, I guess they don't have it in central areas, so we're gonna end up having to choose one or the other. I would prefer to have like somewhere in the middle, like Illinois or something like that, or you know, because New York is closest to me, so I'll probably go with that one then. Yeah, let's go with both. Agalos, welcome and thanks for the follow. Ems Ramos, thanks for the hypes. Yeah, let's go crazy. Yeah, let's do New York. And let's do 22 since it is free anyways. And then basic, regular. What happened to the $4 of the thing? Yeah, that's what I need. Ten gig disk space. That's more than enough. Yeah, I have to get a new SSH key, but I have to use the restroom, guys. Give me 1 minute. I'll be back. All these teas, bruh. Open the door for. I opened the door for my cat. Now it's like it's icy cold inside. Ow, static. Oh my god, I don't know how to get rid of this, man. Jornes Snar, welcome. Famaz, welcome. Kevin, welcome. Okay, now I need to add a new SSH key. SSH keys, SSH key. All right, hold on. Let me see where my SSH key is. I have it. I just need to copy it. So, cd. Um, I'm hoping it's gonna work, but okay. So it created the droplet. We're gonna wait a little bit, and I'm wondering if I needed to do it while it was. Oh damn! I think I forgot this shit. God damn it, bro. Hmm. Shit, we didn't complete that video. I should have watched the entire video. The Red Merce, thanks for the host. Appreciate it. Oh, did I miss that section? So why isn't it? I felt like it gave us a UI or something. This is what I was trying to see. It says add certificate. I don't see that button anywhere, bro. That is my problem here. It just doesn't have manage domain, download zone, move to yada yada, create something new. Start using spaces, create a managed database, spin up a load balancer, this to your secure your droplets, create a cloud firewall. No, I don't think that's the one. Start using reserved IPs, edit this to your droplet. No, that's not really it. So we have an IP4 already. It says it's refused to connect because we don't have anything running in it, which is fine. All right, let's complete the tutorial here and then let's see. Hot Ham, welcome and thank you for the follow. Nima Zivot, thanks for the follow. All right. Oh, I'm like, what the heck is he doing here? That is cool, but I don't see that. Hold on, let me see if I can SSH in there. SSH root at my IP. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay, so it did. Okay. Okay. How do you do it though? Like, how do you initiate let's encrypt? Because it's coming here part of the WordPress. It's asking you. No, that's how are you supposed to initiate it from the fucking terminal? Esra Asosa welcome and thanks for the follow. This could be more helpful. Am I missing something? There is nothing else here. Like it says. Then you can choose to use Let's Encrypt option to create a new, fully managed SSL certificate. We'll create and automatically renew this certificate for you. Select the domain you want to use, then optionally select. Dude, I must be like, is this maybe out of date and I am tripping, or like, what the fuck? This just doesn't make any sense, yo. This is so fucking crazy. Did we automatically renew on your behalf? I don't see that really fucking. So if I try to do the CAA here, enter for this, for example, granted for ilib.com, tag, I don't really have to do that, flags, no, tag, issue wild. Doesn't make any sense. Functions? Nah. Oh shit, they created like lambda equivalencies here. That's insane. Access console, add block storage, view usage, edit tags, access console, yeah, but no, I don't see that, dude. I mean, I don't mind doing it from the command line. I was just under the impression that you can do it from a UI, which is what I'm trying to see. Ramza, welcome. Yeah, I'm gonna check if it more create DigitalOcean. Let's encrypt using Let's encrypt. 9 minutes. So it has to be through the command line. Okay. Third port. Okay, I think let's encrypt. Let's go to their original thing. Get started without shell access. No, with this shell access. Recommended most people with shell access use the cert port my client can automate certificate issues with no downtime. As export modes for people who don't want to cut the configuration. It's easy to use, works on with the website to get customized instructions for your operating system and the web server. Server does not meet your needs. You like to try something else. There are many more clients to choose from. Having clients use staging environment to avoid hitting rate limits. Yeah, I remember using this. List of providers, full HTTPS support, hosting provider. I think DigitalOcean should be here as far as I know. Digital, no? Oh. I don't see it. Damn. That's kind of sad. Yeah, it's not there. So, oh. There is no Ubuntu 2022. Okay. There's already online. Open port 80. Okay. Valid Valor. Welcome and thank you for the follow. Vikisinochaka. Thank you for the follow. Bro. Yeah, I want to do it myself because I need to customize it since I'm using it locally. That would make more sense. Gotta use the restroom again, guys. Give me one moment. Bro, this tea. This is so cold, bro. Oh, Jorikoto, welcome and thanks for the follow. Ah. Mm. For real? Yeah. Oh, damn. My glasses. There you go. So this reminds me that I have Sergi, welcome. Thanks for the follow. I have created this before. So let me go see if my thing still works. I think I Django encrypted field. No. Let's encrypt. Oh, there you go. 3 years ago, create this distributed policy to utilize a certificate for your domains. NGINX Docker file. This one defined NGINX image with serport and Python serport NGINX, and also copied it. Let's encrypt SH into it. NextJS is the Docker container, so we did not have to do any cleanup or modification to our existing server. It will simply create an NGINX image with setpart and setpart NGINX dependencies installed, defined in server documentation. The image is created using Debian, not Ubuntu. Let's encrypt Docker Compose YAML, define ports. This is very simple. The checks is there an existing certificate and exists. If there is not, should acquire a new certificate given domain name using Nginx as a server and provided domain name. How to run the script. Bash. Okay, so you do the, okay. Damn, I did some like good work here. Let me see if this would actually work. What is this doing? Okay. So the thing that I'm trying to understand is that, like, is the Docker file automatically creating this, the Docker compose linking these volumes? Let's check. I think that's volumes. Okay, it is doing that. So yeah, it is linking that. Okay. Mm-hmm. This is kind of making my eye feel weird. Let's try the other one. Okay. I don't know which one was which. And so let's add some light. Can't see shit. Oh. They changed the site so that doesn't work anymore. Okay, I'm gonna just start testing this out. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So apparently things changed since then. Mm, Snap pre-installed. So Ubuntu already has it apparently, so we're good. Let's run this. Okay. This is gonna take a few minutes, folks, but I think in the end we're gonna be happy. Today is kind of a drag, yeah. I still want to like achieve something today, so I'm kind of like pushing through it, but yeah. So do I have dinner? Yeah, I have dinner. Omar Nomar 911, welcome and thanks for the follow. Wow, it took a while. Holy shit. Coco, where's my boy? Come on, let's go. Me, Chriswa, thanks for the follow. Coco, you need a scritch? Huh? Come here. Come here, let me give you a scritch. What? I don't think this is like my internet. It's just that like either this thing is just slow or it is because DigitalOcean has some kind of limit with their goddamn rate. Doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna check something while it does its thing. That's what I thought. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Holy shit. That's actually not bad. Okay. We are good. Wow, this is still going. What? Snap, you are like so slow. I need things to move faster, yo. Oh, it just jumped to 100% after I started complaining. Wonderful Sky, welcome. Fan Sunny, welcome. Shy Guile, welcome. Fan Sunny, thanks for the follow. It literally said ages in the beginning. That's kind of nuts, yo. Coco, where's my boy? If you want to go outside, it's really cold, Mr. Kitty. It's too cold. It's too cold, Coco. It's my boy. He's a good boy, isn't he? He wants to go outside so bad. I feel bad for my boy. I'm gonna take him out for a walk in the evening. Okay, so it did install it, and then the next step here is okay, install setport. That's not really what I tried to do. Okay, wrong key on my hand. Okay, the download is there. It is mounted. It's okay. That was actually fast, at least. And then prepare the setport. Okay, so it's just creating a symlink, which is kind of a weird thing to see. I do not do that. I do not need that. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see where it's gonna. Plugins not working. There are problems with your recent configuration. No installation error. Could not find a usable Nginx binary. Ensure Nginx exists. Oh, it's not installed. Okay. Let's say Ubuntu install Nginx. App install Nginx. Okay. Sudo app install Nginx. Cool. I think after this, it should just go through with it. Genialo Bisho, welcome. Thanks for the follow. Emmanuel, thanks for the follow. Okay, I think we can run this again. This my boy. What's my boy want? He's so cute. I'm having a hard time saying no to this guy. Would you be willing, once your person is successfully issued, to share your email address with Electronic Frontier Foundation, a founding partner of this Inc. project, and a nonprofit organization? Please, no. Please enter domain names you would like on your certificate, comma, and or space separate. Okay, filelib.com, www.filelib.com. Actually, just filelib.com is enough. Okay. Okay, so it already created the certificates. This is so straightforward, dude. I like it. So the thing here is, after I created this, Chris, thanks for the follow and welcome. Dream Player, thanks for the follow and welcome. I wonder if the DigitalOcean will automatically renew this for me. That's the part I don't really know. So now, like from inside my what you gonna call this thing? Nginx Docker container, I can just add this as a volume and then it'll be there. That should be nice and sweet. Ooh. Do we have Git here? We do have Git. Okay. All right. So it's in the Let's Encrypt live directory, which is cool. So this was so straightforward. I don't know why DigitalOcean made it look like they were going to create one for you. I just didn't see that option at all. So we're set. What do you want, babe? What's my Coco want? What's my kitty want, huh? All right. He's guilt tripping me. I'm gonna let him out, I think. Okay, Coco. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want, big boy. He's a good boy. All right. So now, since we do have this certificates generated for us, I need to download it. Right. So it is going to be, I'm going to open a new one here. I'm going to do scp shit. I don't remember this command. Let's do scp copy from server to local. I know that's the command. I just don't remember the exact details. Oh, there we go. This is the one right here we need. So we're gonna do scp root at, no, that's not the IP that I need. So one sec. I'll get the public IP of my container. Copy. Thank you. And it is, shit, what was the destination there? It's, what's the directory? Oh, there you go. Yeah, this is what I need copied down. And we need this flag, so it copies everything, and then we want it to be repos file lib Docker nginx Docker nginx. What are we calling this here? Bro. Docker nginx. Mimori, thanks for the follow and welcome. I'll just call it let's encrypt. I'm hoping it's gonna do it. So let's be more precise. Let's hit it. It's gonna authenticate my SSH, not a regular file. CP copy folder, not just a goddamn. It's lowercase r. Really? Lowercase r? Okay. Ha! Nice. So if I go to here in my nginx folder, all my shit is there. Nice. This is cool. So I want to kind of Google something here. I want to say, is it okay to add cert files to Git? Committing issues to GitHub. Is there ever a good reason for this? Would include various certificates with different problems and some configuration to use them for testing. Checks for Debian weak key problems. So you want a certificate with a Debian weak key, perhaps for the domain. Example. Test certificates are not the same as real signed certs from a proper CA. For testing purposes, use a testing CA. I would imagine that the major CAs have revoked the certificates whose private keys were available on GitHub. One knows a repository of test certs. For it, yeah, just a certificate. There is not a problem. As these only contain the public key. The problem is the private key is published, as is the case with, for example, IDRSA. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Securing your custom domains, how to use custom domain. You probably users and GitHub pages using GitHub Actions, GitHub web pages unknown. Adding hold on, this was PM files to Git. That's a bad idea. I just want to revalidate it. Does DigitalOcean offer environment variables? DigitalOcean env variables. Define runtime variables during app creation. When creating an app, specify variables on the environment screen. Click the encrypt checkbox to obscure the variables while from all build, deployment, and application logs. You can also declare runtime variables in the app specification for your app by setting the scope to runtime. Congrats to the contributors of the treasure box, y'all. Look at y'all. Damn. Okay. Not bad. So this here is define build time environment variables. There should be a proper way to handle this thing. Certificates. No, that's not really what I'm trying to do. DigitalOcean. Themes. Fake emo, welcome. How you doing, my dude? Thanks for the stay safe. Submit your team's SSL certificates. What? I have to be in a team to do that? I don't understand. Settings, my teams, security. You're fucking kidding me. This is nuts. Mm-hmm. Name. Okay, so we're gonna do file lib certificate. Certificate. I don't know what's that mean. Oh, so I can actually put that thing in there. Oh, Shiza. Oh, I'm hungry and cold and tired. Like, what is this, bruh? I'm not having the best day today. Okay, since I already downloaded this, I'm gonna open this off screen to make sure that I'm not gonna put that as part of the Git, right? So we're gonna go Docker Nginx and filelib.com here. Chain versus full chain. Okay, hold on. SSL certificate chain versus full chain. Let's learn the difference here, because different chain and full chain. Okay. Oh, okay. Also, adding reference full chain does not include SCA's root certificate. Difference between the chain pan file. Okay. So we created one, so this might not like it, but let's go do it anyways. So it did create it for me already, which is pretty good. Can you like assign a certificate to directly to the droplet you created? Droplets. Okay. Graphs, access, power, volume, resize, distro, history, kernel, snapshots, backups. Enable now. New. Access. Yeah, I have to deal with it another time. I have 634 emails. I can't deal with that many emails, bro. I don't have time. That's crazy. Oh boy, cool. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I think this is good to go. So I do have the certificate there, but I don't think I can download it as far as I know. So regardless of the situation, I think we are set. So what I need to do here is this and this here. I'm gonna do cut, and I'll just do it here. I'm gonna do new folder. I'm gonna do file lib SSL certificate. Okay. I'm gonna go there and I'm just gonna do this. Cool. This doesn't get included in the thing, and when I'm launching something, I know what to do with it. Which makes sense, I hope, yeah? Yeah. All right. Let's go close all these things here to the right so we can get back to it. Alrighty. And I can actually close this browser now, which we no longer need, so we're cool. And what's going on here? Oh, thank you. Okay. Okay. This didn't really like go crazy, which is fine, I guess, my big boy. Okay. What do I have to fix here? Oh, error fetching component for route. Let's see what's happening here. Did we break something? Like, what's going on? So what happened to my data? Gosh darn it. No, this doesn't. Oh. Yeah, this is because this is a new user. I'm like, what? Also, when we are, okay, let's reload this, right? We're gonna wait for it to download. So it says fetching credentials. So after the credentials are fetched, and if there is nothing there, we shouldn't just say like an empty space. It should say like create credentials or something like that, right? So we need to add that. Good thing we did that test. So I can get rid of this. And the this is pretty okay. And then this cat hair in my eye, it really needs to come out. All right. Then we're gonna have to go to dashboard, components, credential, create credential item, index right here. So when we are fetching something, it says fetching, which is okay. If not credentials, you don't have any credentials. So we're just gonna say, instead of doing this, credentials dot length less than 1. That's what we do. Credentials, and the length is 1. How about that? Will you chill out, Dan? All right. So instead of doing that, we're gonna say text. We can say you can start creating. Click create credential to get started. That will sound repetitive, so I kind of want to avoid that. Okay, cool. All right, we have our button, we are good, and we are all set. Let's go see. I'm gonna exit from this one and then exit from this one. Okay, exit from this one. I'm on the last one. Why am I here? Oh, I'm just looking at the logs apparently. Okay. Exit from here. Okay, so now what I want to do here is let's check out all the files that we changed. Okay. Nothing that's out of ordinary there. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Okay. LT Okunka, welcome. Julio G5, welcome. All right. I think this is ready to submit. So I'm going to do git add. Oh, there's no new folders, right? New files. It's just a Docker file. So we're going to do git add. We're going to say Dockerize NextJS App. File front end is now served from within Docker. I think we need to fix one problem because the hot reload is not working, and I think we need to fix that. Evil Machine, thanks for the hypes. Yeah, gotta fix that. Gotta fix that thing because that's not really gonna be ideal if you don't handle it. So what I'm gonna do right now, this is definitely gonna fail, but let's try this anyway. So I'm gonna go cd front end. So I have node modules here, and I have .next directory here that Next.js generates. I think this is not really gonna work properly because it's working right now because these folders already exist, and when you do installation from within Docker, these folders will disappear after the compilation is done because when it attaches the volumes, because it doesn't exist here, it's gonna match the outside to the inside, so it's gonna remove all the folders. Yeah, let's put that to the test. So I'm going to do rmrf.next. Okay, I'll do it with sudo if that's what you want to do. So it's gone, and we're going to say sudo rm rf node modules, send it. It's going to take a while. Okay. These two directories were not included in Git anyway, so we are safe there. What happens right now if I do make redo, it should fail. Why is this folder back? I think it's because NextJS is generating it. Yeah, it will get regenerated, which is okay. So if I do make redo from here, make redo. I am so cold. This cat is gonna freeze me to death here, bro. While it does this, I'm gonna check on my cat. It is snowing like crazy outside, and our door is like wide open. Bruh. I'm really cold. My jacket is not helping. This is nuts. For real? Oh. Hmm. Okay. So let's see where this is at. This is almost... All right, NextJS is restarting, and that's primarily because those folders do not exist. So if you come down here, right, node modules do not exist. And that's a problem. That's definitely a problem. Yeah. So we have to alter this now, right? Like what we need to do, I'm gonna go to my make file, and then when I'm doing like up, I'm gonna do make npm, right? Make npm, and then I'm gonna create npm. I'm gonna do cd frontend frontend, and then npm install. Basically, that's just what we're gonna do. So if I do make up, just gonna test that it's actually gonna work, that thing. I think the thing is, yeah, I can see the directory being generated now. We don't have to do anything about the .next folder because it will get generated on its own. We don't have to worry about that. I'm guessing that's gonna be the case. It did not get generated because node module did not exist at the time, so it is gonna complain. Okay, file lib NextJS, yabbity. Okay, it says 44 seconds ago, so Docker, it's probably gonna still keep restarting. Although it's not restarting anymore. Then where is the goddamn .next folder? Yeah, it is there. There you go. It shows up. And if I go here now, I should see my... Okay, it's, I think, compiling, and my file is here. Coco, come here, big boy. Where is my boy? Let's check this on mobile. Sweet. Sweet. Cool. What is this complaining about? There's nothing here. Yeah, I think this is good. So that way we don't have to really worry about Docker not generating those folders for us. Yeah, that was pretty straightforward. I'm happy. I'm happy about that. What was I gonna do? Yeah, now I can see the node modules here and then .next here. We are good to go. I just had a question in my head. I forgot what it was. Yeah, because that directory now is owned by the container, because it's generating from within the container, it doesn't have access to it. Because the ownership has changed. Okay, we don't have any... I fucking hate this shit, dude. Why would you do that? All right. Platinum Art, welcome. Max Kale, welcome. Mr. Cast, welcome. How are you guys doing? So if I am to run Docker exec it, it's enabled. Disable. Cool. It's annoying that I have to fucking do this though. They're giving that like Windows wipes. They don't really care like whether you make that thing or not. Okay. Okay. Guys, this is, I think, pretty good. I have to change this file a little bit. Like there is like, it just doesn't look any inviting at all. And I don't like the way that everything here is presented. So I would like to changes to yeah, let's go over here. I think let's look at these forms, like the newsletter here, for example. That's pretty good. There is only card with illustration. That's not bad. Authentication contact. Maybe this is gonna be not really. The authentication. Yeah, this kind of looks good, but I don't think it would fit well. And I don't have these images, and also that's not really what I'm doing. That's the one we used. Oh, hobbity hoobity. Oh. Damn, I should have used this. Contact. Okay, what about features? Hero. I think I need hero. That's it. Yeah, I need this title to be there instead. And then this would be the explanation, and here would be the form. So let's use this. Make money from your... Hold on. Before we do that, let's see if there's any other. The one on the bottom here, the one on the right, on the right. This looks okay. Yeah, this is kind of what I like. So the heading here, let's just take... Oh, I remember what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to fix the hot reload. We don't have it working. So that is going to be in the components, I think. Waiting list, newsletter sign up. I think there's a whole URL, right? Yeah, it's in the company waiting list. Yes. So let's go over there. Where would you join our waiting list? That's the title, and then the heading: join waiting list. Color green. So what is this doing exactly? Oh. I'll just say, okay, hold on, let's fix these things. So just go to blah, blah, blah. File lib, join our waiting list. And then this text here looks pretty cool. I think it's just text like with the color gray 500. So I think it should be fine. We have 2 of these now. So let's get rid of this. All right. How does this render on mobile and on white background? This is cool. All right. I'm happy with this. But again, hold on, this works. Angel, thanks for the hypes. Angel in dark. Hold on, is it really working? I don't think it works. Cool. I think it started using Word port 3000 for the WebSocket as well, which is insane. All right. If it works, it works. Ah. Close this thing. We no longer need it. Oh. Ooh. First Broda, welcome. Okay, so this works, then this works. We can just let it be, and let's see what are the changes we did. Cache. Did NextJS generate this? What? Oh, that's the telemetry thing. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna add that. Git diff yabba yibba. Okay. Okay, and we're gonna say not modules installed pred docker build. Linking not modules directory will not work after the containers built run npm install before running Docker compose. So that makes sense, right? Oh my god, this is so fucking annoying. Okay. New makefile command. npm run as wrong key. Make npm. Okay. Git add git commit and then git push. Okay, I have to do this thing again. God damn it. The cat hair like has been in my eyes since morning. This is not good, yo. Not good at all. So this is good. I don't know how to get this out, bro. I can't even see it like when I go to the mirror trying to like poke it out, but it's in my eye. All right. We are all set here. Also, kind of like, let's test it out. Okay. So if I go back here, oh, yep. Nice and nicer. I like it. So just to test things one more time, I'm gonna do sudo rm rf node modules and .next. Like both of them are gone. They are gone. And now if I do make redo, everything should work after it starts. So give it a go. It's cool that like we are making all these little progresses to streamline my local dev to be more stable. Final rewards, minimum task progress, 39%. Turbo points, recently will be prorated based on the minimum degree of completion among all of your tasks. I really like streaming for 6 days, and then I am at like 784, and then 78. Damn, look at us go. All right. It's at NextJS, and it already did the installations for us. So the pip installation is good. And we can see that our node modules installation is good. Cool. This will be nice. I keep fingering my eye. Hold on. If we are doing this out here, I don't think we need to do this inside the container anymore because it is redundant anyways. It doesn't make any changes whatsoever. So I need to go remove that. Let's go to NextJS Docker. Yeah, we don't need this. We don't need this at all. This is it. Okay, let's test this out. I think let's do sudo no. Remove these again. Thank you. And if I do make redo again, it should work. So let's just verify that not installing it within the container is not breaking the progress. Just to make sure. This is gonna take up to a minute maybe. Hunter, welcome. JustinMusti, welcome. How are y'all doing? I'm starving, dude. It's not even like 5 o'clock yet, is it? What time is it? It's 4:30. 4:20. 4:20! Oh yeah, it's going crazy. This is going pretty good. Okay. It is on Nginx right now. Almost there. Almost there. We are doing the Next.js. So it's just copying the front end in there. So I think node modules is part of it. We should not really have a problem. So if I do Docker PSA, nothing should be restarting. I think we are golden, my dudes. Yeah, we're good. Internal server error, so this is reload. That's because I deleted all those files. So we can see things like, there we go. All right. That is it. This is it. Isn't this cool? This is so cool. This is gonna be up tomorrow, bruh. Oh, this is gonna be up tomorrow. Oh, okay, okay. Did not know that. Okay, okay. I have 7 of this thing. This is crazy. Fuck it, send it. It's like they're giving me one every day. It's kind of weird. I think this entire thing that I just did here is a good, it's a really good YouTube tutorial content. I'm guessing like it would really help some people. I'm considering if I should do it. Also, I want to test something on my OBS. 1 second. Socials. Oh, damn. That is not really going to work. I'm kind of curious how much it's going to be using. Like the OBS. Hold on 1 second. But JetBrains is still leading in everything. Oh, that's the memory. Okay, the CPU. Firefox is using the most CPU. And OBS is the third. I am running CPU at 500%. Is this for real? I wonder if it has to do with my if it makes any difference at all. It went down to like 240, 237. Is this accurate? Like, doesn't make any sense. Like, I'm running over 100% of the CPU. This is kind of crazy. System monitor. Resources. I'm like doing around 50 to 60% of usage. Huh. Reaching like 100% sometimes, close to 100% sometimes. And that we're using like what? Memory. We're not using anything in the swap. 18.8 gig. Okay, that's not bad. But network, total received 45 gig, total sent 39 gig. Yeah, that's the stream. It's sending like over 3 megabits per second. Damn, that's a lot of data to send. Holy shiza. Mm-hmm. I don't know what more to do. I'm not really feeling doing much anymore. I feel like I've done enough here. Hmm. Pricing is good, documentation is good, and home is good. Try for free. Pricing. Okay, that is kind of thing, and that's not a good link. There was no payment method required. Yeah, they should send it to sign up. It's not going to the right place. It needs to go to the sign up. So let's go to the home index and update the URL. Yeah, button should be sign up URL. So if I'm looking at this thing, it says user sign up, which is cool. Okay. Lord Gamer 10K, welcome. Okay, so one thing I just realized on sign up and sign in page, it still loads the form, even though when there is a session. So I think, yeah, we need like an is loading thing here. So we're gonna say is loading fetching user. All right, while this is being fetched, we should put that form into a suspense. Yeah, the form should be in a suspense. Yeah, you should not see the form if it is still being fetched. And import from components. Thank you. And we're gonna say is loaded, not is fetching user. User fetching complete. So if I'm going to again to this, and then I will go to click on try for free, it takes me to sign up. I should see that loading first. Yeah. Okay. So now I will simply take this and then put it inside here. So I'm gonna go to this again, just take me to home. And if I do say try free, that is really messed up. Uh-huh. How can I do this well? Because the form is still getting displayed, which is kind of bothering me, which should not happen. Yeah. Kind of a bummer in that regard. Yeah. Can I say also here, like, it's if it is not user, then display the form? So if it is like not user, right? Then display. This is redundant because at the time of when the user is getting fetched, it is still a not user. So this is kind of counterproductive in that regard. So we'll see how this really performs. Okay, so okay, so that is actually better. I would think. And then in the suspense, we should display some data here. Loader text. Okay, I can just do loader text. Right, I'll just say loader. Does it also have title? Children, loader text. Okay. Loading your fetching, sign up, components. Something like this should do. So let's go over here and we are gonna go click on this again just to improve the functionality on this. Yeah, I see it. I see it. So if I open this in an incognito window, there is no session now. If I go here, my form should load just fine. Yeah, there you go. Should there be any like duration there where it's fetching the form at like a long time? It knows what to do. So that's pretty good. Yeah. All right. I like it. And if I'm filling this up with whatever, right? Everything works. Nice. We don't care. Ha! This is cool. All right, bruh. Okay. What to do? And let's also commit this, right? Git st git diff cool 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 cool. Also, what am I gonna check on something there that did I forget something? I feel like there was something I was supposed to do, but I forgot what it was. Oh, the hot reload, it works now, so we are good. Removed npm install from NextJS Docker file. Edit suspense to sign up form. Updated homepage. Try now. Link to sign up page. Comma. I mean, period, not comma. Git push, and we're set. All right. Look at us go crazy. Okay. This is cool. I think this is it. How much time do I have for this thing, dude? I kind of want to call it and relax it a little bit. How much time? 90 minutes. Goddamn. Dude, like, what's going on with Trello today? Good. Hmm. What do I need to do next here? I kind of want to look into Kubernetes on DigitalOcean. Kubernetes DigitalOcean. Let's check this. Starting $12 a month. Is it just a Kubernetes, or does it also cover the droplets that it will be using? This is something I actually need to learn because I haven't really done this. I'm supposed to be doing this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I think I also need to add like a little blog on this, because where we can write about things and tutorials and things like that. I think it would make sense. Tux, welcome. How are you doing? Bretta, welcome. How are you doing? Kubernetes. I'm fine. What about you? I'm doing good. I'm getting ready for my soft launch for this project. So most likely I will put it up tomorrow if I can manage it. It's gonna be like a really like the old way. I'm gonna be setting it up, but again, you know, tell as a Python developer, did you do some AI machine learning things? I did some courses on it, but I didn't go like really far into it, unfortunately, because I didn't have much time at the time I was dealing with that. I was trying to learn that because I was working and I was trying to do that after work. It just didn't really go much, but it is something I'm looking to go into. And I will be doing some AI things where as part of this project as well, because I'm going to try to see if I can dynamically decide if an image contains nudity, for example. That's going to be a learning thing. But yeah, like machine learning and AI, it's something I'm really into. I want to get into. Sorry, I really want to get into. I'm mumbling my words. Today is not really my day. Is that what you're trying to get into? Or do you do that? I could use some pointers if you do that. I need to learn Kubernetes. Like that's genuinely what I need here. So Kubernetes tutorial. Tutorials. They have tutorials. There's a lot here. Learn Kubernetes tutorials for a full course in 4 hours. 4 hours? I don't really have 4 hours. I'm hungry. Deploy a sample application to Minikube. Run the app, view application logs. Okay. Before you begin, this tutorial provides a container image that uses Nginx to echo back all the requests. Create a Minikube cluster. Get pods. Get events, config view, create a service. Services, load balancer, cluster API. Okay, run the following commands. Service, hello node. Okay, this is There's a lot to learn here apparently, but doesn't look too confusing. I think the best way to do this would be to just get hands-on with it. And the other thing I'm trying to understand is if I can, would this provide like on-demand node cluster like getting fired up? Should that be a thing, you know? Mm-hmm. Okay. Windows in Kubernetes. What? There's Windows containers in Kubernetes? Holy shit. Since when? I had no idea this was a thing. Okay. Section lists the different ways to set up and run Kubernetes. When you install Kubernetes, choose an installation type based on ease of maintenance, security, control, available resources, and expertise required to operate and manage a cluster. Okay. Now Kubernetes to deploy Kubernetes cluster on a local machine into the cloud or for your own data center. There's Kube API server or Kube proxy can also be deployed as container images within the cluster. It's recommended to run Kubernetes components as container images wherever that is possible, and to have Kubernetes manage those components. Components that run containers, not with the kubelet, can't be included in this category. If you don't want to manage a Kubernetes cluster yourself, you could pick a managed service, including certified platforms. Yeah, DigitalOcean is right here. Holy shit. I'm just AWS's market cap is 1 trillion and Azure Kubernetes is 1.9. Twice the fucking amount? I had no idea, dude. This is nuts. That is just insane. Google Kubernetes engine is also what the dude. I just did not know that. I wonder how those numbers are generated though. Like what is it really getting included there? Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm done for the programming for today, yo. I'm gonna go take a break and then I'll be back because honestly, I'm not really feeling it today. Just not my day, unfortunately. So I'm gonna turn it off and then I'll be back on with some gaming later in the evening. So I'll see you guys a little later.